Hey everyone, this is a super short video. I am going to talk real quick about the research presentation. Um, we don't need to be looking at that. This is the assignment for the research presentation. So basically, as said in the prompt video, you're going to be giving a 5 to 10 minute, like 10-minute tops presentation on the research you do for the final, well, for the research paper. The final, again, is this presentation. All you need the 6 academic sources that you incorporated into your essay. You don't need any sources that you didn't use in your essay. The slides with the sources need to include a works cited page listing. Your presentation will identify the community you are focusing on, as well as the problem within that community. You know what? I'm not even going to bother reading this. I'm just going to literally open up the PowerPoint. So turning this in, I really hope this works for the video. So turning this into PowerPoint, a slideshow, you are going to do this. Yeah. So title of your presentation, your name, date, and the class are already there for you. What is your thesis statement? And then what's the community you're writing about? What is the problem within that community? And then solution 1, 2, 3, best solution, and a call to action. Think of this page literally as a like a table of contents. So if you're writing about homelessness in Riverside, then the community you're writing about is Riverside. The problem is homelessness. And then you're going to say, like, solution one, instead of solution one there, it'll say something like, I don't know, increased funding for public housing or something like that, right? And then the next slide, the community/problem, and whatever quote you have to discuss that problem, and then the works cited page entry for the source you use. And then solution one, solution two, solution three. I'm sure you're already detecting the pattern. Best solution, call to action. Now that we've been informed, what do we do with that knowledge? Do you want us to write to our elected leaders, or, march? I don't know, march in downtown Riverside to protest their lack of response to the homelessness situation, whatever it is. And then that is literally it. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to stop my screen share because that's literally all I really needed to show you. This should be the shortest video of the semester. I know this assignment is going to give people a lot of stress, maybe even a little bit of anxiety. I apologize for that. If it's causing you actual, like, heart palpitations, like massive anxiety, then reach out to me and we should talk, and we'll figure something out. But otherwise, if it's just stressing you out a lot, that sucks, and I feel for you. But that's also pretty much every final in college until you graduate. That's everything I need to say. All right, I'm going to stop talking. I'll talk to you later. Bye.